Hi, this is Sarah Meixel with the Pig Site, and today we're here with Dr. Megan Inskeep. She's a swine technical service veterinarian at Merck Animal Health. Thanks for being with us today, Megan.
Thanks for having me. Glad to be here.
Very good. And today, Megan and I are at World Pork Expo in Des Moines, Iowa. Well, today we're going to talk about combination vaccines and new technologies on the market. The swine industry covers a wide range of operation types, each with their own herd health priorities. For those maintaining mycoplasma-negative status specifically, how do those serologic monitoring requirements shape the vaccination decisions veterinarians and producers have to make?
Sure. So for those that are involved, especially in multiplication or even farms that are Myco-negative, it's important that their status stays Myco-negative, that they don't have an antibody response to mycoplasma, because it's hard to tease out a positive myco antibody from field vaccination or vaccination to field exposure. So what's really nice is now we have an opportunity of a product that's ready to use on the farm that just covers the Serco and the Lawsonia portions that they need, since they don't want to vaccinate for mycoplasma in those herds. So our Circumvent CL product is now available for producers, and it's a nice ready to use option that comes to the farm that gives that producer an option to not vaccinate for myco but still get the Serco and Lawsonia in one bottle.
Fantastic. Very good. Lawsonia vaccination timing in the post-weaning phase can get complicated, especially when antibiotic use enters the picture. What should producers be considering when evaluating their options during that window?
Sure, and that's maybe been more important here these past 6 months than it has in a while, because of all the co-infections that we're seeing, lots of PRRS breaks throughout the industry. So, antibiotics are a great tool for us to have when the pigs are facing so many different health challenges like we've seen in the last 6 months. So we have a Lawsonia vaccine that's Porcellus that is also in our Circumvent CML or Circumvent CL that is an injectable, and it's a killed vaccine. So it's okay to use that vaccine in the face of antibiotics. So you don't have to worry about timing the vaccine with an antibiotic-free window. You can continue to use your antibiotics to control some of those other pathogens you're seeing in the barn, while also getting that preventative ileitis vaccination into the pigs at a critical time point.
Fantastic. Very good. Let's move to talk a bit more about intradermal vaccination. From a veterinarian standpoint, what's the science behind intradermal delivery that makes it a credible alternative to traditional intramuscular administration?
Sure. So we're excited that we now have the IDOL device, our intradermal vaccination device, available in the U.S. It's previously been in overseas in Europe for years now, but we're excited to have it here as an option in the United States too. So what's really exciting about this technology is that it delivers a very highly concentrated dose, small dose, directly into the dermis, where there are so many immune cells there ready to take up that vaccine and get the immune system going and respond to that vaccination. So it's just a little bleb that goes in the dermis under the skin. The sow barely feels it. It's because it's not a high-powered dose shooting into the muscle. It's just a nice little bleb that goes under the skin, so it's very smooth on sows. You're not limited to just the neck, because this device, you can use this device to vaccinate in any thin-skinned areas on the sow. And it helps us present that vaccine exactly to the immune cells where it needs to be.
That's fantastic. It's great to have that tech here in the U.S. now, right?
Absolutely. So we're excited to have it here.
Yeah. Animal well-being and worker safety have always been important, and they are becoming even greater priorities for producers. How does intradermal vaccination technology help address both in a meaningful way at the same time?
Sure. So what's great about the intradermal device is that it's needle-free. So you don't have to worry about accidental needle sticks with this device, which in turn helps with preventing broken needles in the animal as well. But it's very smooth for workers. From a worker safety standpoint, the device is very ergonomic. There are no cords or hoses that go along with it. It's just a very easy device to use in the animal, and so we've seen some improved worker safety around this, because you're not limited to just the neck. You can go in different locations, so you're not going through bars with your arm or things that would put one of the workers in Correct. It's a little more flexible on how to give the vaccine, and especially in pen gestation, the sows aren't running around, they're very calm. When you go in there with this device, they're not worked up like, in other scenarios. So it helps both the animal experience and the worker experience.
Fantastic. Well, where can people go to get more information?
Our website, drivenbyprevention.com, has all the information on these products and devices that people might be interested in.
Fantastic. Well, thanks, Megan, for all the information today. I really appreciate your time.
Sure, absolutely. Thanks for having me.
This is Sarah Meixel with the Pig Site.